Good day, everyone. I am Giselle Kate B. Javier, and I will be discussing heuristics. Let us first define what is a heuristic. A heuristic is a mental shortcut that enables individuals to solve issues and make decisions more quickly. These rule of thumb tactics reduce decision making time and help us perform without continually pausing to consider our next move. Since heuristics are helpful in many situations, but can also lead to cognitive biases, being aware of how heuristics work, as well as the potential biases they introduce, might help us make better and more accurate decisions. Why use heuristics? Heuristics play important roles in both problem solving and decision making, as we often turn to these mental shortcuts when we need a quick solution. Common uses for heuristics are fast and accurate ways to arrive at a conclusion. It involves reducing mental effort needed to make decisions, or simplifying complex and difficult questions, and it helps with problem solving. Here are three theories about why we rely on heuristics. First would be attribute substitution, where people substitute simpler but related questions in place of more complex and difficult questions. Next would be effort reduction. Here, people utilize heuristics as a type of cognitive laziness to reduce the mental effort required to make choices and decisions. The last one would be fast and frugal. People use heuristics because they can be fast and correct in certain contexts. Some theories argue that heuristics are actually more accurate than they are biased. In order to cope with the tremendous amount of information we encounter to speed up the decision making process, the brain relies on these mental strategies to simplify things so we don't have to spend endless amounts of time analyzing every detail. For example, when trying to decide if you should drive or ride the bus to work, you might suddenly remember that there is road construction along the bus route. You realize that this might slow the bus and cause you to be late for work, so you leave earlier and drive to work on an alternate route. Heuristics allow you to think through the possible outcomes quickly and arrive at a solution. Here are the types of heuristics. Each type plays a role in decision making, and they occur during different contexts. Thus, understanding the types can help you better understand which one you are using and when. First on the list would be availability heuristics. It involves making decisions based upon how easy it is to bring something to mind. When you are trying to make a decision, you might quickly remember a number of relevant examples. Since these are more readily available in your memory, you will likely judge these outcomes as being more common or frequently occurring. For example, if you're thinking of flying and suddenly think of a number of recent airline accidents, you might feel like air travel is too dangerous and decide to travel by car instead. Because those examples of air disasters came to mind so easily, the availability heuristic leads you to think that plane crashes are more common than they really are. Next on the list would be representativeness heuristics. It involves making a decision by comparing the present situation to the most representative mental prototype. When you are trying to decide if someone is trustworthy, you may compare aspects of the individual to other mental examples you hold. For example, a sweet older woman might remind you of your grandmother, so you might immediately assume that she is kind, gentle, and trustworthy. Third on the list would be affect heuristics, making choices that are influenced by the emotions that an individual is experiencing at that moment. For example, research has shown that people are more likely to see decisions as having benefits and lower risks when they are in a positive mood. Negative emotions, on the other hand, lead people to focus on the potential downsides of a decision rather than the possible benefits. Last on the list would be anchoring bias. Anchoring bias involves the tendency to be overly influenced by the first bit of information we hear or learn. This makes it more difficult to consider other factors and lead to poor choices. For example, anchoring bias can influence how much you are willing to pay for something, causing you to jump at the first offer without shopping around for a better deal. How does heuristics lead to bias? While heuristics can help us solve problems and speed up our decision making process, they can introduce errors. As you heard from the examples, heuristics can lead to inaccurate judgments about how commonly things occur and about how representative certain things may be. Just because something has worked in the past does not mean that it will work again, and relying on the existing heuristic can make it difficult to see alternative solutions or come up with new ideas. Heuristics can also contribute to things such as stereotypes and prejudice. Because people use mental shortcuts to classify and categorize people, they often overlook more relevant information and create stereotyped categorizations that are not in tune with reality. And that's it for my report for today. Thank you for listening.